Hey, what's up, y'all? How y'all doing? I know I've been away for a while, but I do have quite a few videos pending due to work. It's just been a mess at work. Luckily, I found a new job where I could work less and make almost twice as much money. So my current employer is gonna be a little upset, but I gotta do what's best for me. Today we will be kind of sort of doing a review of a dog collar. It's a shock collar, training collar, whatever you want to call it. Reason why I say it's not a full review because I received a sample incomplete. The charging cable was missing. The remote uses USB-C, but sadly, the collar itself uses a proprietary plug, which I do not have. So I was unable to test it. So let's get into it. Yeah, the collar was supplied to me by Delupet for a review. But like I mentioned before, I received a sample incomplete. The charging cable was missing. I don't know if it's Amazon's fault or the manufacturer itself, but I have noticed lately I have receiving my Amazon package a little rough wear, because I received one today and you can see the condition the box is in. It's all bent up and crushed. But when I received this sample dog collar, the box was actually open. It didn't look like it was tampered with, and it's kind of strange for someone to steal a proprietary charging cable and not the product itself. So with that said, let's get on with it because I have obligations. I made several attempts to contact the manufacturer, got no reply. So I contact the broker that got me this campaign. I use a website to get campaigns. They said, "Hey, review what you got. If it didn't came incomplete, just throw that in your review." And that's it. I'm still getting paid for it, but hey. Now let's talk a little bit about the product. The reason why I got it because I have quite a few animals and they're pretty stubborn. I have one in particular, which is the instigator that start fights. So that's why I got this collar. For some reason, he believes when I go in the house, I'm not coming back out, but I do. And I'm not no professional trainer, but what I've learned, consistency is key to training. This collar itself, it has 3 training modes featuring safe modes: beat, vibrate, and shock. Shock collars enable you to set the right stimulation levels for your pet, which is helpful in deterring your dogs from undesirable habits. Also, this has a 1600 feet remote, secure lock press, so you won't accidentally press the buttons while carrying the remote in your pocket or something. Like I mentioned, 1600 feet range, making it easy to train your dog indoors or outdoors. So you can be inside. "Oh, you acting up, my boy?" And get them. Also, this is waterproof and it's supposed to be comfortable. I put it around my dog's neck. He seemed not to mind. I wanted to shock his ass, but I don't have the charger. It's IPX7 waterproof collar, convenient for dogs playing around the pool or in the rain. The collar strap length is adjustable, fitting a wide ranges of dogs, from small little dogs like 10, 20 pounds up to what I got around 70 and 90 pounds. This collar will fit though. You can see it's a lot of adjustment. Also, it's easy to use. The remote got have large buttons. It has a LED screen. I don't know if you can see that, letting you know what level the charge is at or what it's doing, and the battery indication. And you set the charge level, you set the vibration, and it has a little speaker indicating the beep. Finally, they say it charged quick. I know the remote charged quickly because it's USB-C and I have USB-C. That's no big thing. Remote charged really quickly. The collar supposed to charge really quickly as well, under 2 hours from 0 to 100%. And it has a standby up to 35 days for the collar, 45 days for the remote, and you could easily charge it off a USB-C 5V, 1 amp, so you can plug it into your computer, use your phone charger, or whatever. Only thing that got me kind of upset, I really wanted to try this collar out. It will make my life a little bit easier, so when he start acting up, I don't have to go outside and intimidate him. That's why I find it works best, the intimidation. You show them that you not pleased with their actions, and that seemed to be a good deterrent, at least for me. But again, thank you for watching this sort of review. Like, subscribe, because my next video about what's in this box, which is a battery for my iPod Classic. I found it a couple of days ago. The battery's not working correctly, and it has some old music on it that I would like to get off of it. So I will be making a video of me replacing the battery. So like, subscribe to see how that goes. And again, thank you for watching.
I hope you enjoyed this video and found the information useful. If you did, please like and subscribe and share this video with anyone who could benefit. But if I missed something, you know what to do. But if your feeling is a little bit more complicated than that, or you have a suggestion, please leave a comment. Also, I stream several times a week on Twitch. The schedule is in the video description. Also, you can follow me on the social medias at tekminute. Best to believe, I am a social guy.